So who's ready for spring? I can't wait. It's pouring rain right now, but it's not cold anymore. We're like in the 60s, I think. I have to look past the light. I think we're in the 60s. I don't know, 61, 62, something like that. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We're doing a keto recipe. We're doing a lazy version. Why are we doing a lazy version? Because the chicken breast we're using is out of the can. It's 98% fat free. Doesn't really matter if it's fat free because we're adding a bunch of cheese into this recipe. Anyway, come on in close. Let's get started. And I haven't tried these yet, but I've seen all over TikTok and all over Instagram and all over Facebook this recipe. Just a few ingredients. That's what makes it lazy too. It's so good. So I want to bite into it. I want to make sure it's just crispy enough like real chicken nuggets are. And I'll let you know at the end if it's comparable or not. All right? So come on in close. I'll show you. Okay, guys, let's do the rundown. You ready? All right, so we got the cans of chicken breast. So we got it's still cold. It should be room temperature, so we'll start filming in a minute. But this is the Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm doubling the recipe on mine, but I'll have the single recipe down below, okay? And we got some mozzarella cheese right here. Garlic, onion, pepper. So I think that's it. So let's get started. I'm gonna open up the chicken, put it in a little bowl, and get ready to mix it all in here and make our nuggets. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with the chicken, okay? Dump that in. Make sure not too much water and drain the water. You'll sit here and break up the chicken breast. Make sure it looks very kind of shreddy looking. So it kind of looks like that, okay? Then you're gonna put that there. Take your cream cheese, drop that in there. Take your mozzarella, drop that in there. Let me move over a little bit here. All right, I'm going to use a little bit of garlic. A lot of garlic, because I love garlic. I'm using dried minced onion and dried minced garlic right now. But you can do any one of the combinations. You can do onion powder, whatever. And black pepper, because everything needs pepper. Okay. Why am I seasoning now and not until later? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this all together. There we go. That's good. Okay, so you can either use parchment paper on a cookie sheet or this mat. If you use parchment paper, spray it with a little non-stick on top of the parchment paper. All right, and you're going to take a spoonful of this stuff. And you're probably going to need to form it a little bit into its own little ball. Okay? And just take this and round it up. Give it a little press down. Okay? There we go. You want to flatten them down a little bit, you can. Kind of shape them like nuggets. Alright guys, so I've got half the batter. I have the other half in the bowl right there, but half the batter is right here ready to go in the oven. We're putting it in at 435 degrees for 10 minutes. You're going to check on it, then you're going to flip these. Use a spatula or some tongs. Flip these another 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown into the way you like it, okay? Let's give it a try. Now we have to make our dip. I haven't used this sriracha sauce in a while, so I gotta make sure it's still good. Gonna have to taste it really quick. Give me 1 second. Yep. Ooh, just stronger than ever. All right, we're just mixing sriracha sauce with mayonnaise. Give that a try. Wow. Mayo with the kick right there. I think I want a little bit more sriracha sauce. They look kind of cool. Still a little warm to the touch. Let me break one. Oh, ouch. Burning hot, burning hot. We're going to try that out in a minute. Get that in there. There it is. Those are lazy keto chicken nuggets. So easy to make. Boom, boom, boom. We made them. Let me just tell you on the baking times. 435 for 10 minutes. Flip them 7 more minutes, okay? Keep an eye on that because that's when I took these off. So it's 10 minutes and 7 minutes at 435. Flip in the middle, okay? You guys, let's give us a try and see what it tastes like. They taste better than real chicken nuggets. Well, these are real, but like McDonald's, all you taste is the batter. Here you get the chicken. I think I got sauce on my cheek. You get the chicken, you get the cheese, you get the seasoning, you got all the good stuff right here. I like this better than if you went and got chicken nuggets at fast food. Give this a try, guys. You're going to love it. Mayo and sriracha, so amazing. Oh, it's heating in my mouth right now. Anyway, check out, I got new shirts for Tammy. A lot of you said everybody needs a Tammy. You guys tell me Tammy's so wonderful, and I know that. I've known it since the day I married her. But I made shirts in the store where you buy my hats and my shirts and everything, and it says everybody needs a Tammy. Go check it out. I love my wife, and I'm just so happy I made a shirt about her. So anyway, that's in the store. Check the merchandise shelf down below of all my videos. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.